Hello, good day everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to know who subscribes to your channel, how to see your recent subscribers. So the first thing you do is to log into your YouTube channel through your Chrome. So this is Chrome, then you log in to your YouTube channel. Like this, allow it to load. Yeah, here we are. So after then, click on this your YouTube channel icon like this. After that, you click on Creator Studio. Allow it to load. So after it loads, this is where you are going to see your recent subscribers. You can see it here, recent subscribers. These are the recent subscribers I have. You can click on see all to see more of your recent subscribers. Click on see more. So after I click on see more, you can see here. This is it. If you want to see more, you can click on this drop down. Then this is last 90 days. You can click on more. You can click on last 365 days to see more of your subscribers. So these are the subscribers I have. These are the recent subscribers I have. So that is how you are going to, that's all the process to know your recent subscribers. So that is all for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interested content like this. Thanks for watching.